These 3 ways to resell are making me over $10,000 per month, and I'm only spending 1 hour a day to earn that. All these reselling YouTubers are gatekeeping the real methods that they use to resell, and you will 100% learn something new if you stick to the end. If you are new or an experienced reseller, this video will absolutely change your life and you can make money immediately after watching. To show you guys proof that I'm not just saying these things and actually know what I'm talking about, here's my Shopify store that has generated $20K in 3 months. And if you think about it, it's more beneficial for both of us for me to actually teach you how to make money, because once you see my methods will work, you watch more of my videos, so it's a win-win. I also have the other methods that are generating me over 10K passively per month, and my goal is to help you achieve that plus more. First, the easiest and most common way of reselling is through selling on apps like Facebook Marketplace or eBay. You order one-to-one product from these vendors right here and then resell them for over 2 to 3 times the value you spend. Now, these AirPods only cost me $30 from my supplier, and these spider hoodies only cost me $60. I am then able to sell these for over $150 and make an insane profit. This is completely legal and ethical as long as you tell them they are reps and one-to-one. There is a huge market for fakes, and these products are completely identical to the real one, and the only difference is the price. I have over 20 customers coming to me weekly to purchase these designer clothing, and that's because they don't know where to buy it and they don't want to get scammed. And no one wants to pay $1,000 for a real hoodie when you can get the same thing for $60. And it's very hard to find a good supplier with fast shipping and good quality product. Luckily for you guys, I put all the vendors that I personally use first thing in the description, so you guys won't have to waste your money trying from different vendors. And all my vendors have multiple warehouses around the world, so you get fast shipping no matter where you are. And all these products will even pass StockX. They're that good quality. To list your products on these apps, you guys can copy what I put here. Make sure to use the pictures from my Discord, as they will get you more customers. Now, when they message you, make sure to tell them they are one-to-one. If you say they are real, that is scamming, and in the long run, you will make more money saying they're fake. People are willing to spend over $100 to $300 on these products, even though they're not the real thing, because the quality is amazing. Now, going over a method that I don't see a lot of resellers talking about is how to actually drop ship these products and be able to sell them without never having to see them. This is easily one of the best ways to resell, in my opinion, because no one else is doing this, and it requires little to no work. Basically, you will make a listing on apps like eBay or Depop, and when someone buys from you, you will put their shipping information into the supplier and ship it out to them without ever having to see the product, and you'll keep the profits. Now, this is super easy to do, and this means that you can start right now after watching this video. However, this will not work if you don't use my vendors, as all my vendors have USA warehouses and EU warehouses, so if you don't have them, you will not be able to drop ship these. Now, going over the last method of how to resell is to sell on apps like StockX or eBay and to actually ship the product out yourself. Now, it does take a little bit longer to do because you have to actually go to the post office and then ship the product out yourself, but I promise you there's a lot of money to be made because you can list on all apps like eBay, OfferUp, Depop, all that, and sell at once and sell in bulk online, and you'll have a shit ton of sales. And if you guys are trying to be really serious about reselling, a receipt generator can boost your sales by over 5 times. What my receipt generator is on my website is basically a Discord bot that will make you authentic receipts and send them to your email, and this can help you sell because now you have proof of purchase. One way to figure out which product sells good in your area is to check on apps like Facebook and see what people are selling around you and see what sells good. For me in my area, designer clothing like the denim tear that I'm wearing and spider hoodies and AirPod Maxes are the best thing to resell in my area. Especially during in winter, you have no problem selling hoodies like these and other designer clothing. And the best thing about reselling is it will never die. There are always more designer clothes being released, more electronics, everything. And you already know your boy's gonna find a vendor for it. Here's some of my vendor's product, and as you guys can see, everything is completely identical to the real one, and it's all very good quality. The AirPod Maxes are metal, the AirPod Pros have noise cancellation and valid serial numbers, and they all have warranties. The only difference between this and the original product is the price. The price is lower, the quality is exactly the same. I'm not even gonna lie, guys, I have all these designer rep shoes and clothes, and I'm just wearing them. I'm not even selling them because they're that good quality. That's about it for me, guys. I hope you guys learned something in this video, and I have a ton more reselling guides on my Discord that I give away for free, and I have a ton of useful tools in there, so make sure to join it. And if you guys are still struggling, I offer a one-to-one mentorship that will teach you till you succeed. It has a 100% success rate, and if you don't make your money back, I will send it to you. Make sure to like and sub, and I'll see you guys later.